Today we are going to see how to make this chocolate hazelnut spread, or as it is often called as Nutella. Making Nutella at home is very easy. Let's get into the recipe and see how to make this. Today I have taken roasted and unskinned hazelnut. It is very convenient to use, but you can also use regular unroasted hazelnut. To remove the skins, place the hazelnut in a fry pan. Roast over low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. We can also roast it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Once well roasted, place it on a kitchen towel and rub them vigorously till you remove as much of the skin as possible. The Nutella's smoothness depends on the level of skin you remove from the hazelnut. Today I have taken 1 cup, that is around 250 grams. Place the hazelnut in a food processor or in a blender and blend it till you get a very fine paste. We need to scrape down the sides of the blender every now and then so that all the nuts will blend well. As we can see, the oil from the hazelnut starts oozing out. We need to keep on blending. We need to add cooking oil now to make a smooth paste. For 1 cup of hazelnut we have taken today, we need to add half a cup of oil. You can add any cooking oil of your choice. Today I have taken peanut oil. I am adding 1/4 cup now and I will add 1/4 cup later. We need to blend again for another 2 to 3 minutes. We need to blend the hazelnut very well now to get very smooth hazelnut spread. Now we can start adding our remaining ingredients. Here I have taken 1/3 cup of dry milk powder. You can avoid this milk powder if you are making vegan version of this. With this I am adding 1 cup of powdered raw sugar. You can also reduce the amount of sugar and add honey instead. Here I have taken unsweetened dark cocoa powder. I am adding 1/3 cup of it. As we are going to make chocolate hazelnut spread today, we need to add melted chocolate with it to give the chocolate flavor. I am going to melt the chocolate using double boiler method. Place a pan over a pot of boiling water and place dark chocolates in it. I am adding 1/3 cup of dark choco chips today. Stir it well till it completely melts. You can also add a very little amount of water or cream to melt it completely. Today I am adding water. The chocolate has melted completely. Let's cool down for a while and add it to the blender. With this you can also add vanilla extract if you like the flavor. My kids don't like the vanilla flavor in Nutella, so I am not adding today. With this we need to add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. We need to blend again for another 3 to 5 minutes till we get a very smooth paste. As we can see, everything is well combined, but it's not very smooth now. We need to add the remaining 1/4 cup of cooking oil that we already set aside. We need to blend again for another 3 to 5 minutes. If you don't want to add the melted chocolate, you can always increase the amount of cocoa powder you are adding in this Nutella. Also, you can add unprocessed coconut oil to make it more healthy. But the amount of oil we are adding in this gives the smooth texture to the spread. Also, it serves as a preservative. Our Nutella is ready when it is very smooth and shiny on top. We can use this Nutella in many number of ways. Stay tuned in this channel for many recipes with homemade Nutella. We can store this Nutella in an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 4 weeks. Homemade Nutella is very easy to make. Please do try this at home and leave your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for future video updates. Meet you all with another delicious recipe. Until then, happy munching!